Alright guys, what is up? Welcome back. Sorry about the wind. I think fall is here in full effect. Today is one of my first days off since starting this new job, finally back to work. But I figured we'd do a small project on the truck. But I just remembered we no longer have the truck. It's just the Z now. The Xterra, I have been so busy, I forgot, is gone. And we sold it about a week ago and she went to a good home. But with that being said, I did manage to find time to run to Spokane and pick up a new build. It's out back. Let's go check it out. Okay, sorry about the wind noise. Hopefully this dead cat's doing what it's supposed to do and block some of that. But I am super excited to show you guys the new truck. And this is actually a truck this time. If you guys are following one of my two Instagrams, you guys have already seen what we got. But without further ado, turn that down a little bit. I'm super excited to show you guys the new truck. So there it is. We got ourselves a 2007 Chevy 1500 with the 6.0 and an LTZ package. So we got power heated leather seats, all black everything, Bose, 4-wheel drive, all the good stuff. I could not be more than happy. We have a 6-inch FabTech lift, brand new, well not brand new, but 20-inch Hostel wheels, brand new tires. The guy before did brand new brakes and rotors all the way around, tow mirrors, and a full trailer brake, so it has a tow package, front bumper, front and rear lights. So we got a great deal, and I have ideas for this already. I don't necessarily want, I do like it, but I don't necessarily want to go a show truck route. You know, big, wide, offset wheels. I don't necessarily want to go to that. I like these. We'll keep this wheel and tire setup for this winter at least, because I just can't swing a new set of tires. But comment down below. What do you think? Should we keep the Hostels, clean them up, do a little accent color on them, maybe throw some MTs on there? Or should we sell them off, downsize to like some 18s, and throw on some 37-inch MTs on there? What do you guys think? What do you think down below? I'm kind of leaning more to a pre-runner style. So more of like a tube style rear tailgate that we can make a spare tire carrier onto and do another camp table. I'm thinking about taking out one of the rear seats, so keeping the single seat and getting rid of the double and building a platform with some storage for Oakley. And then we got to do some little things, like these headlights need to go, mainly because they just weren't wired properly and they were cheap. So we're going to replace headlights, we're going to replace the tail lights. We're going to see if we can get the turn signals to work in the tow mirrors, because one side's not working. She needs a full refresh, so all the fluids, spark plugs, oil, belts, and then we need to change out the intake on this. It has a K&N intake, which wasn't installed properly, so we're probably going to pull that out and see if we can get something better. First thing on the list, we're going to get rid of these Nerf bars, because I just don't need them. And then sound system, we're going to put in our switch pod again so we can get more of our lights hooked up. Already done 2 of them, but we have some more. And yeah, I'm thinking just a really comfortable pre-runner for this thing. So let me know what you guys think down below. just can't get over how tall this thing is. I mean, it may not be so much tall because we were running 5 inches of 33 on the Xterra. This is 6 on 35s. It's just so much bigger, so much more room on the inside, and that's really what I was going for. Don't get me wrong, guys, there was absolutely nothing wrong with the Xterra other than I personally was just too big for it at, you know, at 6'4". On that, just wasn't enough room on the inside to daily drive it, to trip it like I wanted to take it to places. And that's kind of when I decided to pull the trigger on this thing and get rid of the Xterra. So far I'm loving it. I can't wait to see where this thing's gonna go. And not that big of a change. Like, we're still getting about the same crappy gas mileage, although this is a little bit more in fuel. Not terrible, so I'm enjoying it. Also, what do you guys think on the off-road flares that some of these trucks came with? Do you guys think just the sleek flat look with no flare would look better, or should we get some new flares and replace these since they are broke down here? Paint match them, put them back on with some nice hardware. What do you guys think? You guys want the shaved look? What do you guys think would look better, the shaved look or to keep these flares and just replace them with better ones? Probably this spring, after the winter settles down, we're gonna tackle this bed and do a tape line up to here, and we're gonna raptor line the whole bed and the bed rails black, just so I don't have to worry about rust, and just more durable, easier to clean out too. And then we're gonna have Travis probably in the next couple of weeks tint our windows, because even though they are factory tinted, they're not dark enough. Okay, so we started with taking off the side steps, or the Nerf bars if you will. We got them off on this side. I think it makes the truck look cleaner and just a slight bit taller for that illusion. So we're gonna go ahead and take them off on the driver's side as well. Super simple. It's just 3 21mm bolts off the body frame mounts. So there's one in the front, one in the middle, and then one in the rear. We'll loosen those up, we'll drop that out, throw those body bolts back in, and project 1 is complete. Like that, I think that's a much better look. Alright, what is up guys? We're back for day 2. I decided to take a break yesterday, take this thing out, test it on a little dirt road, and do a little shooting yesterday because it's been forever. So we did that. So it's now the next day, and I don't know if this camera will pick it up, but it has already snowed. I don't know if you can see that or not, but that's all fresh snow. That wasn't up there last night. We're only in the 14th of October. It's not even Halloween yet, and it's already snowing up north. But I guess that's one of the reasons why I love living in Montana, is you never know what you're gonna get up here. Today, we are going to tackle whatever is going on with this intake system. I don't know if they got the wrong one for the wrong truck or what was up, but we're gonna take it apart, we're gonna look at it, we're gonna try and see why we have tape here and what looks like to be a second plug, and just why it's all loose.